Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, wherever world you are watching, because we're in different time zones. Here in South Africa, it's now 12 o'clock in the morning, 12 p.m. already by us. The midday, the day in the US is almost, maybe still sleeping, morning time. Canada, also different times. Australia is now, it's only what time now? At least now evening. With different time zones. So wherever world you are watching these videos, and gonna say again, welcome, welcome. So I was getting a lot of message since I post daily cycle in English and in my home language, Somalian. So just to make clarify things simple, it's not a daily cycle. It's just tricks that can tell you single days or not single days, breakout days, third breakout days. So I've mentioned it before, and as we did it now for new week, are you gonna apply? Are you gonna apply it? As we did it Monday, are you gonna backtest 3 day cycle? Study 3 day cycle. Number one, hidden Monday, hidden new week, study like that. Hidden new week, 'okay. Each day cycle, 3 day cycle trick is not it's a small trick that can tell you now what you're looking for. Can tell you if you are trader knows what he's looking for, or if you are not, if your trader knows what he doesn't look for. When you look at the screen, when you see a 3 day cycle, the whole 3 day cycle of first breakout, then you become trader who knows what he's looking for. 3 day cycle is a starting point of what you're looking for. So 3 day cycle is just what I call an 3 day cycle. 3 day cycle is just information. Is just the information you need. 3 day cycle is just theory. Just theory like others, like channels, elite waves, all that information. But 3D cycle makes things simple. Why I like 3D cycle? Why I like 3D cycle? It makes things simple. It makes things simple for you. Can you see here? Makes things simple for you. All right. 3D cycle. Day one, day two, day three, make you holding mindset. Three-day cycle theory. Three-day cycle is behind mass psychology. And it's telling you mass psychology of terrorists. What I mean by that? It tells you terrorists are thinking about buy, terrorists are thinking about sell, terrorists are thinking about that, and you take advantage of that sentiment. So you take advantage of that market sentiment. So in that case, you take advantage of the sentiment. Market sentiment. So you take advantage of the market sentiment. Keep it simple. If the market sentiment is bearish, bearish. So I think you guys, many of you guys know market sentiment. So forex is about three things: technical, information, technical information, fundamental information, and what sentimental information. So anybody doesn't know these three things, he is not, he can't call himself fundamental analysis. Technical information on technical analysis. The reason is 3D cycle is very much that. The reason is 3D cycle is very effective is that, guys. Why 3D cycle is important is this. The importance and magic in 3D cycle is this. The importance of magic for 3D cycle is this. So when you know 3D cycle theory, so knowing 3D cycle theory can make you 3D knows technical analysis. You will apply your technical analysis correctly, and you will apply fundamental information correctly, and you're going to get information from sentimental analysis. What I mean by that, day one, day two, day three, 3D setup. The market is getting serious higher highs. What the traders are thinking? They are thinking the market is still bullish, the market will collapse. Go back for money. Day one, day two, day three. 3-day cycle, what the sentiment I see in lower, serious lower lows. The market will rally back. You see that most of the time. Why? 3-day cycle, we can tell you the information of sentimental information analysis. You have to know that. Sentiment of information. When you go to day one, you get the sentiment is bearish. When you get day two, sentiment is bearish still. When you get day three, sentiment become bullish. What I mean by that? Small example here. This was what price was trading below a trend line, right? Price was trading below a trend line. Price was trading below what? Price was trading below the trend line. Let me draw a trend line here and go there. Why people are losing? There's a trend line here. Trend line was saying bearish. Day one, day two, day three, 3-day cycle finished. New 3-day cycle started. Then, knowing 3-day cycle, the sentiment information is bearish. People are selling. Why? Because they see, if you go to the ICT, it's not concept, there's a sell side efficiency here. There's an order block here. People look to sell from the supply. You get sentimental analysis saying the new 3-day cycle. Fell breakout below, day one, day two, day three. That's why especially they move price up. Because a lot of people are losing this day. A lot of people lost. Why? Because of sentimental analysis. People see sell because market is creating lower lows, trading below the trend line, leaving efficiencies, leaving order blocks, and all that information that would happen. The market is looking to sell, the market is going to go buy. I hope you understand my points. Recycle, recycle. Go study ICT concept, go study everything. It's gonna tell you the market is sell. What happened here? The market go buy. Why? Because the 3-day cycle. 3-day cycle is gonna tell you the sentiment of the market, guys. The sentiment of our market. I'm telling you. Coming back to you, 3-day cycle is a theory of sentimental analysis, sentimental information. So if you know sentiment, market sentiment, or if you are new to forex trading industry, there's a 3 types of analysis: technical analysis, fundamental analysis, and sentimental analysis. Why 3-day cycle is very important? 3-day cycle is the information of 3-day cycle gives you is sentimental analysis. So if you hear before sentimental information or sentimental analysis is for that. 3-week cycle, 3-month cycle, 3-day cycle is for fundamental information or fundamental analysis. Keep it simple. Why I like 3-day cycle, day 1, day 2, day 3. Many traders are asking me, why, and many of my Somalian friends, they ask me why you like 3D cycle. I say, yes, 3D cycle is a sentimental analysis. When you see sell, I see buy. When you see buy, I see sell. You see, 3D cycle is like that. I say, yeah, this is liquidity. And anyways, they also know the market left internal liquidity and internal liquidity, but they don't know how. So a 3-day cycle is what makes easy, simple for you. 3-day cycle is theory, is just like others, but it's making you oh, some information like you before. Why I like 3-day cycle? It's just thing, yeah, it makes things simple for me. What I know, the information I know, it makes it simple for you, for me. The order blocks, the efficiencies, the market going back, pull back, change trade, concentrate. It makes things simple, guys. Make it things simple. I hope you guys can find my book. As we heading for Monday now, how are we going to do? As we hit Monday, maybe you have a bad week, you have a positive week. I don't know what you got, but probably if you don't know the 3-day cycle, you have a 50-50 guessing game week. Actually, you have a 50-50. If you don't know before, 3-day cycle, you had a loss in week, loss, win, win. So if you over trade and you over risk it, I'm telling you, I guarantee you have a loss week. But if you are an very conservative trader or not aggressive trader, you have a much be small positive week. I don't know. So anyways, as we hit in Monday, how we gonna trade? How we gonna trade? How we gonna trade? How we gonna use a 3-day cycle? All right. Not reading market sentiment, not going to daily FX. I don't need to go to daily FX and read market sentiment. Here, I don't need to go to daily FX, dailyfx.com or blah blah my FX book, daily FX. Daily FX. I don't need to go to market sentiment. I don't need to go nowhere. I just need to read the 3-day cycle. She's going bearish now. She's now off, but I just need to read my 3-day cycle. Okay, as we hear in Monday here, what do we get here? Last week, last 3-day cycle start from where? Day 1, day 2, day 3. See? Day 1, day 2, day 3. Man, and what I say here, go into this picture. Where's the picture of this? Go into this picture, take a screenshot of this. Take a screenshot of this. Monday is open range. Monday is open range. Wednesday is what? Is midweek range. As we hit now new 3-day cycle. And Friday is close range. Friday. So what started? Breakout, fail breakout, started 3-day cycle. And it happened from this area. Fail breakout, breakout. From breakout, we start 3-day cycle. Above and below so the main concept is this. So coming to this area, let me say here, last Monday, it creates fair breakout. Last Monday, it creates fair breakout below the Friday range. Again, what do you see here? Previous one Wednesday. Thursday create breakout on day one, day two, day three, Monday. Monday create what? Monday create what? Fair breakout below the Friday. And Saturday one, day two, day three. As we hit in Thursday, what is here? Monday is also an upper range. Thursday, in what I call here, a Wednesday, create what? Breakout. Above where? Above the open range. Day one breakout, day two breakout. Day one breakout, Tuesday, day two breakout, Thursday, and Wednesday, day three breakout for again Thursday. Again, what do you see there? The range is where? Wednesday. Thursday, again, what? Start what? And day one breakout, day two breakout. Then you may see the breakout on day three, on Monday, on day three breakout. On day two breakout, because this day and breakout failed. They breakout failed. Friday breakout failed. As we saw, as we hit in Monday, is our range. So we get the day one breakout. So Monday maybe day two. And this day the breakout failed. Can you see? Breakout failed. So Monday you may see day two breakout. But when are we gonna see? After the breaking previous breakout level. So as we hit in new day for Monday, what are we gonna do here? We mark our consolidation zone, and we also get here failed breakout. Different information. We're saying us now we get a failed breakout, and we get a failed breakout on day one, and we get a failed breakout in day two. Day one failed breakout, day two failed breakout. So what we see here? This information is gonna tell us now here, wait for the market to give you its hand. High in high, lower low. Breaking this high can tell us market is going to go day two breakout. And Monday we're gonna see sunset. And Tuesday we're gonna see day three sunset and reversal from the deep high. How it is. Or if the market break lower low inside, or higher high, lower low, will tell us where we're going. Let me see. Very soon. So it's about keep you think the symbol. Day two, Monday. Monday is day two. Monday is day two. So open range, ASEAN range high, and it's gonna tell us the direction is day two century. So we might see the bullish move, or we might see the bearish move. We don't know what we're gonna see, but day count is what makes matter. And I think that in this case, day one, day two, like this, then day one, day two, and we may see day three, it will be maybe inside day. And we may see day three parabolic sunshade and parabolic reversal shade for new all-time high for both. We don't know what we're gonna see, but in this case, Monday is day two. For who? For breakout series. Day two for breakout series. breakout series. Can you see? Day 2 is for who? Breakout series for breakout series. Can you see? So it's making you think it's simple. It also become day 1. And Tuesday it can be day 2 for turn trade. And it can be day 3 for 3-day cycle for breakout series. Can you see? See? That's what makes market simple and thinking properly in trading business. You understand, guys? I hope you understand my point. So that's how I use this 3-day cycle. Okay. Going to what? USDT, the new week, are you gonna apply? Or to what? As I say here, going to the new week, that's one we see already fell breakout. It's what? When is the range? There was no new level for the level. All right. And here we go here. Day 1. Fell breakout. So you know this one is must be sell. Day 2 sell. This one there's nothing called it breakout. This is straight sell. This is straight sell. So it's this called here basic candidate. Focus the basic candidate setup. So gold is not basic candidate setup, but USDT is a basic candidate setup because you don't go the new mixed information. Sentiment is completely very and it's completely bearish. People are seeing buy, they'll be buying below this low, they'll be buying the support, this support. So they will be buying this support. And institutions, they are taking advantage of the people. So they bring people, they bring the price down. So you feel the sentiment. So what I say, the sentiment, they want to wipe all these people out. So people will be buying from all this area. So these guys, they will trade lower, lower, lower until the sentiment changes. That is cycle. What I tell you here, sentiment. People seeing bullish, and the market will drop. Because people are seeing bullish, institutions they know you already. You are seeing bullish. That's why the sentiment is bullish. The sentiment now is bullish. The market is getting serious higher. It's very strong buy. It's a liquidity. Everyone will be buying liquidity here. Buy side efficiency and other blocks here. Here buy side efficiency here. Other blocks here. Or buy side efficiency here. V-value gaps here, V-value gaps here. What do you see here? And drop base drop here. See, they will trade against all these people. So 3-day cycle is for sentimental traders. That's everyone, guys. I hope you understand 3-day cycle now. Because. Go to GBBJBY. That's why all the strategies you have learned doesn't work. Because you don't know the sentiment. Some of the master ICT, some master the smart money courses like ICT, same ICT or blocks, they very gauss and everything is there, but they still struggling. I know it. Why? Because of sentiment. They 1 day, 2 day, 3. They 1 day, 2 day, 3. They 3 day, 3 day, 3. They break out. They 1 day, 2 day, 3. Think simple. Think simple. Think simple. I'm telling you guys, you don't know the station concept, you're gonna struggle. You're gonna struggle. Why you struggle? With your own knowledge. You're gonna struggle with your own knowledge. Okay, coming back to what daily and here what USD here. As we hear in Monday here, we got here what? What is the what? Wednesday, where's Wednesday? It's here. Wednesday is here. Because they won't break out, because they two break out. And what do you think? Sentiment is showing what? Lower lows, lower lows. Sentiment is low lows, right? When people see low lows, the market is not going low lows. Market is going back. When markets people see a higher highs and they see bullish, the market go opposite. They're gonna tell you 3-day cycle. 3-day cycle is big trade. It's for sentimental traders, not for everyone. So anyone is not in the business for almost like 3 years, he will not understand the importance of 3-day cycle. Because most people they know technical analysis, they know fundamental analysis, but they don't know sentimental analysis. You're not even aware. Even the 90% of mentors, they don't know sentimental analysis. Only 10% knows. That's why 10% making money on the market. Others, they have all the information, but they don't respect the sentimental information, sentimental analysis. Day 1, day 2, day 3. Why stage back system is very magic? Because it's a sentimental analysis. I hope you understand my bonds, guys and girls. I'm enjoying it so far, so good. Okay, let us go to what? TBJBY. TBJBY, which day is midweek range. Day 1, day 2, Monday, we are heading to day 3. So we are heading to day 3. What do you see? We're going to see more serious lower lows. What people are going to see? They're going to say auto block, supply here, auto block here. They're going to say here what? Main value gap here. What are they going to say here? Auto block here. People looking supply because they know the order flow is bearish. Then what's going to happen? In institutions, they drive price up. They drive price up. You need to understand the reality of business, guys. You need a cycle. They drive price up because they know you're going to sell from, you're going to trade the trend. Order flow is bearish. Trade the order flow. What are you going to see? Oh, that's why it's called free cash, free cash. Because they are taking free cash, free cash. Because you are thinking very simple and straightforward. Come back to here, what here? Okay. Ask. Okay. All right, guys. All right, guys. All right, guys. What I say here, and as we hit it on Euro TV, as we hit it on Mondays, as we hit it on Mondays here, and as we hit it on Mondays here, what are you going to do? Market sentiment is bullish. Market is creating higher highs, higher lows. What we see here, 1, 2, 3. This was a Wednesday. Market is bullish, right? So what do you see? Higher high, higher high. Market is higher high. Day 1, you see fair breakout here? Yeah, fair breakout here. Fair breakout here, day 1. All right. What do you see Monday? Monday, what do you see? What are you going to see? Day 2, breakout shares. Day 3, breakout shares. Day 1, day 2, day 3. What are you going to see? You're going to see what? They value gaps. You're going to see what? Market is bullish. You're going to see what? Drop-based drop. Rally-based rally. You're going to see what? Efficiency. I said efficiency. You're going to see what? All the markets buy. What's going to happen? They collapse. They're going to trade against people. People will see that. They show you what you know and trade against you. The 3-day cycle is for sentiment. 3-day cycle is for sentimental analysis. It's for sentimental traders. 3-day cycle is for sentimental traders. Hope you understand my points. because 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 what do you see? They see here other blocks here or drop base drop. They will see. They will see here other blocks here again. Pivot gaps. And these guys, they can back this area and back all this money, collecting all this money, all this money, all this money. So what I say here, what I say here, if you know balance, price balance with the large ascending channel, large, large ascending channel. That's why I say, go study price action patterns, and I recommend all the mentors who I study from price action patterns just in balance. It will price, go to real price action. Real price action.
Hey everyone, I'm Mark Reeves, and today I'm taking you sunrise to sunrise to eat the best bites of
real price action. Go study with the guy. So actually, yeah, you do the other course. Also, here the sometimes video. Yeah,
talk about.
You can watch all these videos. So try to learn the price action patterns. Or you can find also in YouTube. Start if you didn't for the mentorship. What you can do, you can start on free on YouTube channel. Trying to learn the price action patterns, like ascending channel, and you see that price is traveling what? Price is traveling what? Upward to impact channel. Resistance, support, resistance, support, resistance, support, resistance. Trying to collapse the channel support. All liquid will be taken. So knowing all the information is very good. So try to learn all the information, guys and girls. Hope you understand this very beautiful information, guys. Okay. Coming back to what? About knowing what you do. You know, knowing a lot of things, Price action patterns. Market is a lot of things, guys. Not the only simple things, but without knowing this 3-day cycle, I was struggling. To be honest, I know all these buttons, but I was struggling because of this 3-day cycle. 3-day cycle is magical. I know many guys who know this business almost very nice, but they lose money back because they make money in uptrend, but they lose it back. Like here, Euro USD, they make a lot of money, but when the market comes back, they're losing it. Because of what? They're not aware of the 3-day cycle. They're not aware of the sentiment. They're not aware about sentiment, and they are not aware of the market tricks. That's why they are losing. They're making money, they lose it back. They're making money, they lose it back. They're making money, yo, it's very painful. Yo, it's a very painful cycle. Very, very painful cycle. I've been in the cycle 4 years. 4 years. Alhamdulillah. 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 Thanks to God. Well, let me understand this. Thanks to God. Always pray hard. Thanks to God. Appreciate to God. He will let you understand more and more. Doesn't matter which place you believe. We are Muslim. I believe in always have to come with a shukr, have to say Alhamdulillah, Al-Shukrulillah. For Allah showed me this, Allah let me understand this, because I've been struggling. Well, I know the things. I dropped channel, dropped the parents. I'm still struggling. I don't know why. 3-day cycle. The 3-day cycle is the tricks which make me a trader. Trader I am now. After on my 5th year in the industry. Trading industry. Very, very, very confusing. Yo, guys and girls, have you understand my words? Okay. All right. Most of the ICT or public traders, they hate trend line because of the 3-day cycle. They hate trend line. They abuse against the trend line. They hate. They can't even hear it. Why? Because they are against the trend line. Because of what? Because they don't understand price action patterns. They don't understand 3-day cycle. You will struggle. Without no 3-day cycle, using trend line, you will struggle. I'm telling you. Pure naked price action trading. Because once you know it, you can never unseen it. Once you see it, you can never unseen it. Once you know it, you can never know it. Even simple traders. Keep it simple, Terry. Keep it simple. Each market, guys. Each market, guys. As we Monday, what we see here, we're gonna use our closing range, our Monday range, our Wednesday, which midweek range level. So day one, day two, day three. Last 3 cycles finished. But what we get here? We get here, fail breakout below on Tuesday, but then close above, fail breakout, which is also day one. Oh, breakout traders, yeah, breakout traders. Fail breakout below the history high, then day two, expect like that, and day three, expect it like that. Keep it simple. You already get the direction. You only focus on entry and problem is that. Keep it simple, guys. Winning mindset. You keep the market with a winning mindset, winning attitude. Free cash, free cash, free cash. Go to what Alcaraz is. S&P 500. S&P 500, as we hear in Monday, what we got here? Fair breakout. Keep it simple. On range and also our yesterday previous daily high, we still has our free day one and free day card. What we are seeing? We are seeing sell side liquidity, buy side liquidity, there's momentum, drop base drop, higher high, strong momentum, it comes back down the money. Like the crash. So, and this time they don't go bull back, they go all straight down, momentum. See? Because they are like, why? Because they know people are buying this, so they attract people down low. Just attract people here. Buy efficiency on the blocks. Here, they value guy. Yeah, oh, they want to kill. They are running for the money. They're running for the money. The sentiment is bearish. Day one, day two, day three. Day one, day two, day three. One day, 2 day, 3. One day, 2 day, 3. Keep it simple. They come back for the money. They look for the cash. Nobody for the cash. They look for the money. They were looking for money. Free cash. This time they are clarified. They come in 3 days. How many days here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 days. They come back with 1 day. 15 days, they was unbroken. They come back for 1 day. 1 day stops. 15 days. In that day, that's the reason of the 3-day cycle is very important. Free cash. So guys and girls, I understand. I hope you understand what I'm saying here. 3-day cycle is for the spending traders. It's for the sentimental traders. All right, guys. Keep it simple. Yeah, what? Yeah, and as we remember here, we got the previous daily low breakout. This is our range here. Friday range, day 1, day 2, day 3. Day 1, day 2. So that day is gonna be day 3. What we will see? Lower lows. They will drop what? On the blocks. They drop what? They very good. They drop what? They very good. They drop what? Efficiency. They see you. Then what happened? They have to back up. Because they see you see a lower low, or the flow is bearish, what do you see? They gonna trade against you. That is a concept of the day cycle. It's for sentiment. The sentiment, guys. It's for the sentiment. It's for the sentimental analysis. I hope you understand the inside of what's the meaning of 3-day cycle. Free cash. All right. But any currency, master it, backtesting the business. Backtesting is what makes you best trader, guys. In the weekend, try to go up, try to go up, try to go up, try to go up. As we in for Monday, what we do? Day 1, day 2, day 3, which is take this day, fair breakout. The fair breakout. But the link close above. There's no fair breakout. So yeah, what you get here? Which is the range breakout. This is original breakout. Day 1, day 2, day 3. Day 1 breakout. Day 2 and day 2 breakout. Maybe you break lower. Break low actually. Day 1 breakout. Day 2 breakout. Fair breakout or breakout. I don't know. So tomorrow can be day 3 breakout. From back for our money. The same cycle, day 1, day 2, day 3, and it will be day 1 that the market will see uptrend. After this, what we will see? They will see supplies here, lower lows, all the blocks. They will see fair value gaps. You see fair value gaps. They will see all the blocks varies and supplies, then the market makers will trade opposite aggressive people. 3-day cycle is for the magic. 3-day cycle is for the sentiment, guys. Three cards. Go to AUD. As we hit Monday, all you gotta take for 3-day cycle and 3-day cycle and sentiment of traders. Simple how you treat it. Monday, Friday, didn't break no way. Nice. Because you come inside, day 3 become inside. So this day fell breakout. This day is here. This day fell breakout here. With the fail. Okay. Okay. Sharp. Fail breakout, day 1. So tomorrow is what? Gonna be day 2. The finish is gonna go up. And what is day? Fair breakout. Monday, Thursday was day 1. Friday was sunset day. So tomorrow is what? Day 2. Essentially, what people are seeing? People are seeing lower lows, break of structure. They are seeing what? All the blocks here. The what market was coming from where? Fair value gaps, the blocks here. And they are selling. So market makers, they are buying because of the sentiment. The market will trade higher. That's how it's easy. That's how I understand. Please agree. This is my understanding. Because I've been in the business for 5 years. I know the sentiment analysis. I learned another thing I used to use in sentiment. I used to use what I call here and CO2 report. I also use CO2 report. I use many things. CO2 report. So I know many things people doesn't know. So I'm aware of many things, guys. CO2 report here. Sentiment of terrorists. So I know many things. I know sentiment. I went through everything. That's why I say 3-day cycle, 3-day cycle. I do it. 3 cards. Okay. Got any base, anytime, 80 bears. This Europe, Friday was day 3, Monday is day 1 for new week, 3-day cycle. All right. For breakout cycle. Look at it. So you see here, it's what? What is day? Thursday was it? Day 1 breakout. Friday was it? Day 2 breakout the trade. Let me say inside day, open inside day. You don't want it. So what you can expect? Market to go up. Because you get a valid breakout, day 2 to go up. It will go up, and day 3 will go up. So AUD will be buy till Monday, day 2 breakout, day 3 breakout Tuesday. After Wednesday, you can see sell. That's how you're gonna use the market day 3. What people are seeing. For now, the market structure, another flow is showing bearish because this is a lower low here. This OP here, imbalance gap. Come back rejection around here. Rejected by imbalance gap. Don't see it. Imbalance gap area. Then we will want to trade lower. And what bank will trade higher. Let's keep it simple. Keep it on simple. Keep it on simple. They want day 3 is for 3-day cycle. It's for sentiment. Go to any bears in trading industry. Go to any bears. Use the JBY. Use the JBY. When I go to use the JBY, people are seeing what? Lower lows, lower lows, lower lows. All right. When you see lower lows, right? What is that? It's for order flow bearish. All right. What's gonna happen? What's gonna happen? What's going to happen? And Friday, you see it become breakout here. So what the range day was that? So range day no alarm market. So you get the day 1 breakout. Monday, Thursday become day 2 inside day. Day 1 breakout. So Monday day 2 breakout. Wednesday day 3 breakout. Then in 3-day cycle, you can expect bullish. Why? And people will see bearish because market will be very strong low. That's what when they go back. People will draw what? The value gaps. People will see what? Order blocks. People will see what? Supplies. People will see what? Drop-based drop rally. Rally-based rally. People will see what? Mitigation blocks. All that bullshit. What's gonna happen? After makers, they treat it against you, by they see you. They already know what you know. You don't know. Day 1, day 2, day 3, 3-day cycle. You are in the wrong side of trade. Because they will catch you. Brothers and sisters, they will catch you. You don't know day 1, day 2, day 3 cycle and 3-day cycle theory. My brothers, my sisters, they will catch you. Yes, guys, they will catch you. They will catch you somehow. Will catch you somehow. Emotionally, they will catch you. Emotionally, they will catch you. And they will let you lose. They confuse you. They will make you psychologically, even, well, how I can say, they even mentally make you mad. We should say it, guys. Free cash, free cash, free cash. Let me conclude my explanation now. Anyways, guys and girls, I wish you all the best. These studies, the cycle is very important for price actors, but you doesn't know and what I call it, yeah, price action. So I say, yeah, I make it keep listening. So if you want to learn all this balance, price action balance, the only method I know is good for price action balance is just in better daily price action. For this, I recommend you to go study price action. If you can do that, it will be fine because price action is about balance, and balance have a destination and valuation bounties and geometric range expansion areas. So distances, and most of the guys who knows that those and that's parameters like Falcon, they don't tell you and when the button is valid. When I don't know, they are hiding that. And yeah, that's what I see is they're hiding. So when you cannot call hidden shoulder button until the price broke neckline. You cannot call double top button until the price broke neckline. And you cannot call triple top button until the price broke neckline. That's the only price action winter which can take is Justin. I'm telling you guys. So I went through all those and the other guys they say Raja Bank. The other Raja Bank, he doesn't use what they call price action channels. So all this I went through. So this more confusion. So, but I tell you guys, just go study the price action, study the 3-day cycle, study the tricks, and make it and make my marketing with you guys. And now Justin added what they call, yeah, smart money concept, efficiency, price efficiency and efficiency, plus price action is number one. So hottest trading course in industry as I'm aware now. So anyways, guys and girls, I recommend you anyway, try to do back testing. Anything I share with you is my knowledge, it's my understanding. Please try to understand your own with your own concept. Try to learn for your own, because at the end of the day, everything is about you understanding, how you understand it, and how you operate the market. It is you. The mentor is only, or the mentor or anyone in YouTube is only give you information. So you use that information and you go to the chart, you back test, you learn, you forward test, you learn for your own self. You self-study. That's what makes you better trader. That's what makes you better trader and trader eventually. Anyway, guys and girls, I hope you understand my points, and we will take it as a reference to do your own. Anyway, and I wish you good luck. Anyway, anyone who want to know have a problem in have a collectionist, can contact me. My WhatsApp numbers 07839432356. I'm not a mentor. Maybe in the future I could be mentor, but not now. I'm still a student. Like 50 years, I understand the business. So this year I have to enjoy fast. Then I can be mentor, not now before. Because mentor is someone who knows many things, and it's not easy to be mentor, guys. 0817274813. I don't do any mentorship. Anyways, anyways, I don't do mentorship. Uh, any question you might have, you can ask me, because and if you ask me the question is if I understand, I understand. If I don't understand, then I can ask my mentors. I paid money mentors. I can ask my mentors. Ask me this question. Then it's gonna be knowledge for me. Anyways, don't hesitate or don't shy to ask me questions. Anyway, I wish you good luck and good trading week ahead. Good week ahead. Goodbye. Keep it simple and mind the market with you. Keep it simple, traders, and mind the market with you. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Which means, you know what it means? You are Muslim, you understand what means that. You're not Muslim, try try and think about repair, guys. Try and think about becoming Muslim, because at the end of the day, Islam is about thinking about life after death. What I mean by that? So Islam is so Islam is about thinking about life after death. Because when you die, what's going to happen? You're going to go to graveyard, grave. So this question is waiting for you. Like, who's your Lord? Simple. Keep it simple. Keep it simple. What are you gonna answer? If you say the only one, let me say, like Christians, what they say, Jesus. What about this? If they bring this in front of you, what do you say? Nothing to say. The only thing you have to say, you must, Muslims will say, one God. So what are you gonna say here? Muslim will say, He is the only one God. He's the creator of all. He is the one who created me. And He is the one who I come back to Him. Everyone will go back to God. He created us, we go back to God. So what is going to happen? He created us, He take us back. Even half time, it doesn't matter about you are Christian or Muslim, you are Judaism or whatever you are. You go back to God. You're going to die. And that time you die, what you can answer? Who's you love? I love this Allah. God. He's a creator for all, and He's the only one. He doesn't have son, He doesn't have wife, He doesn't have none. Keep it simple. And that time, 80% go to heaven. Because you are a believer. 80% you are almost to heaven. 80% you are almost to heaven. 20% is going to your deities, but you was doing the work. Let me say 50%. 50%. That's the beauty of becoming a believer. That's 50%. Let me say 50%. I'm not sure. 50% or 80%. But others is about what? You bad deeds and you good deeds, what you was doing in the world. Are you treating people? And you was taking commands from God. He was in performing your prayers. He was doing good deeds. All this going to that. All that is waiting for you. Anyways, are you making sex before marriage? Are you was having girlfriend or boyfriend? That's why the Muslims don't have girlfriend. They don't do sex before marriage because we're taking command from God. Because we know these questions waiting for us tomorrow. And anytime I can die, you can die. So what are you going to answer? I write in my scriptures, don't make sex before marriage. Doesn't matter about gospel. Even the gospel papers, you can find it the same verses. Then you do it. You have a boyfriend, you have a girlfriend. What happened? Tomorrow, this question is waiting for you. What are you gonna answer? So that's thing to watch about having making sex before marriage, guys. It's not allowed. It's not. You are not taking command. And those questions waiting for you tomorrow after that. So Islam is what? Thinking life after day. It's all about that. Islam equal thinking life after death. Because anyone in this world you can enjoy, you can do what you want, but that life, you can eat them, that's into this life. That's into this life, we never come back. In this life is there. And we want that life to be easier for us. That life we want to be in the heaven. That life we want to be what? We want to be in a free cash state. Free cash, free cash, free cash. Have you understand my point, guys, today? And anyway, you need about And you know about slang. What you're gonna go is slang for beginners channel. Slang for beginner channel. So try to find out slang for beginner channel. Slang for beginner. Slang expand. It was what? Think ribbon. Yeah, this one. Yes. So go to this YouTube channel, study your own. If it is about what you want it or you don't want it, it's up to you. Ask God for guidance, He will give you. But for battle for challenges, everything's there. Felix is there, yeah, guys. Try to study. Just watch Islamic ones. You see, the reason I'm sharing with you so the reason I'm sharing with you this free knowledge where other mentors they are charging money. Why? Because my faith is telling me to share. Because as a Muslim man or girl, doesn't matter. Even if you become Muslim tomorrow, what do you like for yourself? Islam say, what do you like for yourself? You must like with your brother. What do you like for yourself? That's like with others. That's why I want you guys to study the Precast 3-day cycle. Day 1, day 2, day 3. That's why I say to you guys again and again, study the 3-day cycle. It's gonna teach you market sentiment. Market when you go to use this app, no problem, any kind of colors. When you go to the use this app, you understand the market secrets. So anyway, guys and girls, and these days I've got this different guys from and different crews from my other channels, in private channels, other guys. So try to understand, guys. Try to understand this. So try to understand the metric system, try to understand about Islam. So try to learn all the things. I give you all information. It's about you want it or not want it. It's about you. You want it, you learn it. You don't want it, you don't want it. That's it. Keep it simple. Keep it simple, serious. And I wish you good luck and good training. So let me analyze this. So what did I say here? Friday, as we go into Monday, what is I see? The Monday I see here what? I see here what Monday, and I say Monday here what? I say Monday here day 1, right? Number 1 is day 1 Monday. So yesterday was suicide day. Next day, our range, medium range was here. So we got day 1 breakout in the market. Day 2, we got inside day. Then think about what buy on day 2 Monday. And it's a day 1 for the week, new week. And in that day, we can now 3-day cycle, day 1 and day 2 and day 3. Day 2 and day 3. Day 3. Day 1, day 2, day 3. So we are thinking about markets going back highs. No. Wait. Day 1 we got failed breakout. We got failed breakout here also. We also got failed breakout above the high. And we got a failed breakout above the low. We got 2 things, breakout and failed breakout. Day 1 failed breakout. So it's about understanding where market breaker highs, then it's gonna be It's like gold, this one, like gold. So it's not too setup. So get setup, but it's a less rich setup. You cannot size this one. You have to use low risky management because anytime that can repair. Because here you got a breakout, you got third breakout. Which one is lying? It doesn't lie. Another pro is what? Another pro is bearish. Another pro is bearish. So actually, fair breakout, the two century breaking this low, will combine. But in that case, the three flower direction of trend. The three flower direction of trend, then it creates a reversal. On what? That time market too much bearish on the it become too much bearish. Then what can happen? The market reverses the upside. You will see sell. You see, this market about deceiving people, man. So the 3-day cycle is about for sentimental analysis. So I tell you guys and girls, bit of flow, sentimental analysis. I hope you guys keep it simple, traders. Keep it simple, understand the system. The system is magic. So let me go to trading view and try to analyze what here. Try to see if you analyze the Bitcoin. Where's the Bitcoin? Trading view. I go trading view and I say Bitcoin. Where's the Bitcoin? BTC USD. Okay. As we hit in Monday, go to where our time frame and we go to what decision breaker daily time frame. Go to daily time frame. So this is what mark our level is. This is what Wednesday, Friday inside day, Tuesday double inside day, Wednesday high. Last 3 days we don't have any signal. We don't have any signal. Just get inside days. Just get inside days, not breaking nowhere. Yes, guys. Our last 3 day cycle, we don't have information yet. We're waiting for breakout. Breakout will start in the 3 day cycle. Day 1 breakout, day 2. Then we can see day 2 breakout, and we can see day 3 breakout to $4,000. $4,000 Bitcoin. $4,000. Day 1 breakout, day 2 breakout, 3 breakout. It's gonna be what? How much percentage? So 5, 9, 10%. Just knowing day 1, day 2, they breakout. You just buy and exchange and leave it 9% plus $10,000 for how much? Let me say you got $10,000 investment. Don't trade actually this year. I don't trade actually what actually I don't trade the Bitcoin. I just buy and hold. 9% could be $900 for free cash. For free cash. It's about making money is easy as simple, but knowing what you're doing is not easy. So it needs a lot of learning, a lot of backtesting, a lot of focus, a lot of sacrifice. Because it is very hard to get this information. The information is adding piece by piece. Price action information 3-day cycle information, candlestick information, market strategy information, high highs, high lows, high highs, high lows, order information, liquidity information. You know what? Adding many things together. That's why it takes a little bit long to master the business, guys. It takes like 1 year, 2 years to 3 years. It's not easy because someone doesn't have focus, especially as a human being. And we like money, but we want the easy money that you're not gonna work. There's no easy money in the world. There's easy things in the world. The woman they get pregnant for past month, but it takes 9 months to come out. You see, soldiers they go to and train for almost 1 to 2 years, then he's a soldier. See, everything is not that easy. Even if you want to marry someone, you need to have relationship for 3 to 3 months just to understand if this person is your soulmate for life. You need to just see learn about behavior, learn about how we deal, what he likes, what he doesn't like. See, there's many things in life you need to understand about it. It's like see, some people they are in three years almost, and after 3 years they break up because this person doesn't qualify his financial status, doesn't think how he thinks. He doesn't like opportunities. He doesn't like entrepreneurship. She doesn't like entrepreneurship. She like lazy person. So life is about she. You understand what I mean, guys? It's a lot of things to learn. A lot of things to learn. Anyway, I think I already make for 1 hour for the video. I want to make very long here, but all the information is there. Try to study. Try to study. Try to study all information here. Try to study the 3-day cycle information. Try to study price action. Try to study liquidity, efficiencies, price action, efficiency, pivot gaps, order flow, higher highs, higher lows. Study all the shit. Study all the shit. Study all the shit, guys. Until you study all the shit. I have to read higher highs, higher lows, market strategy. I know many guys who cannot afford for mentorship, but these guys, don't be lazy to study. Go study or the market strategy, higher highs, market strategy. Or order flow. Study what and what I call it, yeah, liquidity concept. It's self-study. The people in this information, just you need to take that information and learn for yourself. Study 3-day cycle. Study the first of the 3. Study what? 3-day cycle. We make it sentiment. Me after study, I make myself a sentiment analysis. I keep it simple. That's why it's important to me. That's why it's very important to me, guys. Very important to me. Anyway, I almost make 1 hour video, guys. Study the system, study the candlestick patterns, study the price action channel. Oh, channel. When you study price action, you need to understand the channels. Channel. Previous levels for breakout. Study. So it's about everything is about studying your own. That's the mentors and YouTubers. They will give you the information, and you need to study for your own and put yourself in together. Take time a little bit, sacrifice for your own, for your life, for your future, for your destiny. In a way, guys and guys, I'm gonna finish here. I'm gonna finish here. I wish you good luck again for the new week ahead, and I wish you good trading career, hold your skill, learn your mindset, and bye bye, guys. Bye bye.